go to louder. I didn't do the alignment. I don't even like that car right now. Look, the front wheel's got positive camber. They don't even
Got that from, she had already done it many times. Here. What is that showing us?
What they're doing right now is they're doing
Whenever you're ready, we'll take off as quickly as you can. Get right up to 50 miles an hour.
Then
when you get up to 50, you'll lift off the gas.
Yeah.
And coast in, and then as soon as you get into the cones at the end, you'll get on the brakes with everything you got.
Okay, good.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it. Just floor it, and I'll just let you know when to coast. Coast. Right in. Everything you got on the brakes. Couldn't have done it any better. That was absolutely perfect.
Okay, good.
Okay, ready? Coast. Turn it right in. Turn. Good. Turn. On the gas. Turn. Nice and smooth. Turn. Good job. Especially at the end, you really smoothed it out. Gave it a little bit of gas. Everything came together well. That was good.
Okay, good.
Really interesting.
Yes. All right.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. Good. Very, very good first turn, second turn. Yeah, we never want to leave our hands in that 3 and 9. And that's exactly why. You lose your center, and then all of a sudden it's hard to grasp where the car is. Ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. How awesome was that?
That was good, yeah.
That was excellent. That was really fast too. Nice and smooth. Right back in. Good job. Way to stay with it. Even when it feels like you're not going to get in there, you know, sometimes you just got to stick with it and see what happens. That was excellent. So what do you think? Pretty exciting or what?
Yeah, it's cool. It's awesome. The rain is cool too.
Yeah, the rain definitely adds a level of difficulty to it. Awesome.
So fun.
Yes, you're doing really, really well. Your first turn is nice and early. You're giving yourself plenty of room to get that second turn in.
Yeah.
Carrying a lot of speed. Just really happy with the way you're doing it. We can skip this part. It's just we carried a ton of speed in. We were probably going over 65 coming in, I think. So yeah, so there's no critique in that other than just to say sometimes we got to be aware that how small changes in speed can really affect the amount of control that we have. So let's keep going. Right back in.
Yeah.
But you're doing an excellent job. Let's do one more run down and back, but you're doing great. Well, good job.
Thank you.